What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for NEO with the ticker symbol NIO. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So let's take a look at NEO since last week Friday, and what has it done? Well, it did drop a little bit. It was trading right around the 485 level, and it dropped down to the lower $4 level to close to this week in the mid $4 level. Overall trend is still down, right? Price is still below the EMA. The measurement target is still in play. We haven't invalidated it yet. One leg down right here, second leg down, targeting the 332 level. And there is strong support at the 372 level. So overall, the trend is down. We're still below this $5 resistance level because if price can come back to it, most likely it will be resistance because there's prior support. Support here, support here, support here, support here. Price broke down lower, came back up, could barely revert, right? So whenever price breaks a level, you need to see like a reversal, right? So let's say right over here, right? See how price broke above this level right over here, this level right over here. It broke above it, right? And then immediately, like a few days later, you see a strong reversal take place. So that was a failed breakout, right? So in this case right here, the bears, they broke through this support at the $5 level, but look what happened. The bulls are lackluster, right? They're not strong. They're not able to immediately reverse the price back up. So that tells me that the bears are still pretty strong. The bulls have given up at this price level, and maybe they will support. Maybe they can reverse price at lower price levels, right? So that's how it works. It's supply and demand. It's buying and selling pressure that moves the market. So aggressive sellers are still pretty strong. So that tells me most likely we're going to continue low, right? The technicals don't look good. The buyers are not stepping in. I mean, things can change, right? Obviously, we don't know what's going to happen out of this, but what's most likely to happen? More downside, right? I'm not expecting this to be the bottom and price going into a long-term uptrend. It can, right? Sometimes things change, but what I want to see then for the bulls to get back above that $5 level, hold it, or if we do get back above it, continue to push through it, and then make a strong move up. As right now, we have not seen any strong moves, so that tells me that this prevailing trend is still having control of this short-term momentum, so that can lead to more downside. So overall, I'm looking for more downside. I'm looking for the $3 level, mid $3 level, and then possibly even a lower $3 level. So all I have for NEO on the daily chart, not looking good. Make sure you guys don't marry any stocks. If it's not doing what you want, you have to leave it alone. Who cares about what the stock is or the company or the values? You're here to make money, right? You're here to earn money from the market, regardless, right? Who cares if it's the best thing ever? If it's not performing as you want it, that's the main thing, right? Not how good you like the company or what they're for or whatever. It could be the best thing ever, but if you're continuously losing money or it's taking forever, then you have to just move on, right? You can't be attached to these stocks. They're here to make you money, and that's the job, right? You're the boss, and the stock is your employee, and it needs to perform the way you want it to. If it's not performing the way you want it to, then you have to get rid of it and get something else that will perform the way you want it to. So let's looking at the weekly chart. This week is bearish. It closed red, and we're barely any distance away from that mid $3 level, so most likely we'll get there. Overall, trend has been down for a long time, and again, it's just bleeding, right? The stock keeps on bleeding lower and lower. I don't see anything bullish right now, telling me that the price is going to reverse. Maybe eventually, right? Maybe if we get a triple bottom, we can see something occur, but the technicals is my boss, right? The technicals tell me what the price will want to do, not me trying to tell it what to do, right? So the technicals are my leader, right? I'm following the technicals until the technicals tell me to go to be bullish, then I can't be bullish. The technicals are telling me long term and short term that this still wants to continue working its way down. So all I have for you on the daily weekly charts. You guys have any questions or comments, please leave it down below. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.